In today's Suburban Homestead, we'll be building out a DIY trellis for our dragon fruit. On this episode, I'll explain why dragon fruits require a trellis, what supplies we bought to work on this project, and the steps we took to make the dream into a reality. By the way, if you could take the time to smash that like button, it would really help out the channel. So let's get started. Dragon fruits are a vining cactus, and without proper maintenance, it has a habit of growing every direction, creating a giant mess. A trellis allows the plant to climb a vertical structure that elevates it and provides proper circulation. If by chance the fruit touches the ground, it may create disease and spoil it. So we headed to our local garden supply store to pick up some soil.
Okay, so we're here. We're gonna get some Fox Farm at the Spectrum in Santa Fe. Is it heavy? And I'm gonna help her because it looks like she might get a back issue later. Well, it looks like she's doing fine on her own, so I'll just let her do everything. This place is pretty cool. They have a lot of more exotic products here, gardening products. Oh, humic acid. Oh, and Jen's gonna get some seed starting stuff. Although I feel like you've been starting seeds perfectly fine, right? Yeah, this seed tray is easier. You put the soil in, and then later you can just poke it out. This place sells a ton of grow bags. We've been to a lot of nurseries. We asked them for grow bags. They don't even know what that is.
The Fox Farm brand has everything a plant needs in one bag, and so far, it's been amazing for our garden. There's worm castings, bat guano, fish, and crab meal. I then purchased some 4 and 1 inch PVC pipes. I don't know why, but I look like I should be doing parkour. I forgot the size, but I think the planters might have been 20 to 25 gallons. First I cut the 4-inch pipe to size. Then I drilled holes into the side so I can slide through the 1-inch pipe, which will stabilize the trellis.
Hitting the
Notice that I make a cross with the 1-inch pipes.
Yeah, there you go. You got it. So we have to pop out those drainage holes, and I think we can make a few more drainage holes in there. So I'll screw in a few more. Yeah. I'll do here, 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 here. So it gets a lot of drainage.
Once we're done, we add the soil along with some manure from our chicken. And because the pipe is slippery, we added this burlap canvas so it would be easier to tie the dragon fruit to it.
My dragon fruit trellises are all set up, and we're just going to need later to put some rebar up here cross it up, and then put some metal mesh on top.
It's now time to transplant our dragon fruit. Remember to limit each pot to only a few plants, or there'll be too many competing for nutrients.
Okay, here we are, 4 dragon fruit trellises. The dragon fruit's planted.
Last step would be to add a crown, but we decided to do that at a later date. Now enjoy some parkour! For watching, and if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.